Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, we're going to show you a solution how you can fix the slow download speed in the Microsoft Edge web browser. So let's get started. In the first step, launch Microsoft Edge on your PC or laptop. And if your Microsoft Edge web browser have been downloading files slowly recently, don't worry, because there are a couple of steps you may take to fix this. So the first option would be to disable all extensions that might slow down your Microsoft Edge's performance. To do that, simply click on these three dots in the top right corner of your start page. Then choose extensions from the drop-down menu. And after that, click on manage extensions here in that pop-up window. And here in your extensions list, simply make sure that you turn off all installed extensions by simply switching them off here to the right. You may also remove them entirely if you don't want to use them anymore. So the next step would be to clear your Microsoft Edge's cache. To do that, head back to your start page. After that, click on these three dots in the top right corner, select history from the drop-down menu, or alternatively use the shortcut Ctrl-H on your keyboard. And here in that window, make sure that you click on that trash icon here, delete browsing data. That is going to open up that window for you. So all you need to do, guys, here is simply select a time range like the browsing data from the last hour, the last 24 hours, the last week, month, or all time. So let me go with all time. And below that, simply select cached images and files. So if you'd like to clear or delete your cache, simply click on clear now here at the bottom, and that's it. That should fix the issue. However, guys, if none of these have fixed the issue, don't worry, because there is something you may do as well. What you want to do is make sure that your Microsoft Edge web browser is totally up to date. To do that, head back to your main settings and select about Microsoft Edge. So in the following, Microsoft Edge will then check if you have the newest version of the Edge web browser installed on your device or not, and if that's not the case, it will automatically download and install it on your device to improve your browser's performance overall. And if that hasn't fixed the issue either, guys, there's one thing you may do as a final resort. You may type in here in the search or URL bar at the top the address edge://flags, press enter. Then here in the search bar, type in downloads, and make sure that you enable the following feature below, parallel downloading, here to the right. By turning off the parallel download feature, your Microsoft Edge web browser will be able to download files much faster, guys. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.